This is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to work in your back loops only. This is something I do in my Seymour hat. If you want to check out this free tutorial, it's available on my YouTube channel. Let's get started. I've been doing rows of single crochet. In the next row here, I'm going to be working in my back loop only. If you look at your work from the top, it's easier to identify your back loop. You can see I have a front loop here and a back loop, a front loop and a back loop, a front loop and a back loop. So if I look at it from the front, normally I would be working my next stitch under both loops. So I would be going in here and I would be going under both loops. When we're working in our back loops only, if I'm looking at it from the front, this is my front loop. And if you look at it from the top, you can see this is your back loop. I want to work in my back loop only. So I'm going to insert my hook under my back loop. Then I'm just going to do my single crochet as I normally would. Yarn over, pull through. I've got 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops to complete your single crochet in your back loops only. Let's try that again. It's easier to look at it from the top. You can see this is my next stitch. Here's my front loop and here's my back loop. If I insert my hook from the top, it's also easier. I'm inserting it in between those 2 loops, going into my back loop only. I'm now yarning over and pulling through just 1 loop. I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through both loops to complete my stitch. I'm going to do that one more time. So normally you would go in here under both loops. This is your front loop, and if you look at it from the top, you can see that's your back loop. If we go into it from the top, you're going in between both stitches under your back loop only. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops to complete your single crochet in your back loops only. When you're doing this, you can see that it pushes this front loop out, so it creates this nice ridge. It gives you texture to your work. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel.